Hello everyone, welcome to Good Earnings. In this video, we'll discuss about a share that is Zomato. Before investing in any share, we want to know completely about the company, when it has started, how it has started, and what is the present situation, the fundamentals, and what is the next future business. Like in the future, the business can exist or not. Okay, coming to Zomato, it was started in 2008 and was founded by these two people, Dipender Goyal and Pankaj Chen. They both are IIT graduates and from Delhi, and they worked for 2 to 2.5 years in some private company, IIT students, and they have started this app, Zomato app. They founded that, and they bought big investors in this company. By the big investors, the company is now at a good stage. Now, InfoEdge is the biggest investor in this company, and at the end, I will discuss the whole investor who are invested in this company. Okay, coming to the future, how it is going to be. Okay, it is a food delivery app. We all know that. Okay, when we see at the past, when we go back to 20 years, when we used to go to hotel, right? Uh, See, when we go to out of stations, then only we used to go to the hotels, right? At present situation, what we are doing, it is like entertainment. When we want, like movies only, we are going to hotels as well at the present situation. And one more thing, coming to working people, that is main on women working people. In our 20 years back, there are very less people, negligible, like very less people are working people, right? Mostly we cook our food in our home itself. Now year on year, now it is improving. The women are working now, right? So when we see the future, next 10 to 20 years, the mostly all the people, wives and husbands, all of them will be working, right? At the time, it is very hard for cooking. There won't be time for cooking at the time. Then mostly the people use like these apps, right? Mostly when we see the statistics in China, they are more using this like apps, food delivery apps. In India, there are still only 8% people, less than 8% people are using this food delivery apps. They are not still adapted to that. But when you see comparison, year on year, they are increasing. The people are increasing now 45%. Now already they have improved in China. Now less 23% are increasing year on year when we see the statistics. In US also there are more people using these food apps. Definitely for sure in India also over a 10 years, like a decade, we can see a lot of people uses this food apps. Okay, that is a capacity having this Zomato app. Okay, it is having a future business. And coming to the present, what is the company? It came almost 1 year back as an IPO, right? At the price of 72 to 76, means 76 is a base price we got at the time. And on July of last year, 2021, now it is June, right? And we see a price now, it is 64.85 at the present situation when I'm making a video. It's less than the IPO price. But at the time of IPO, most of the experts told that it is coming very expensively. The price is too high. The 76 rupees only, it is too high for them, the valuations. And with that news, by pushing that, it came with a premium with almost a 40% to 40% profits. It started with 126 rupees and went up to 52-week high is the 169 rupees. From 676 rupees to it went up to 169 rupees and fallen now to here almost at 50 rupees low. It touched here 50 rupees. The market is low, right? It went down with that market. And does the price is reasonable? Shall we buy or not? You want to see the details, right? When we come to the company fundamentals, see Is the market cap is 51,691, and you can see PE is nothing is because it is not a profit making company, it is loss making company. Up to now they didn't generated any profits. What they are generating, they're making as expenses. They're making to expenses for ads, for Zomato ads or offers. They're giving offers to the people from promoting the company, so that in the future they can generate a profits. Okay, over a period, if they keep for expenses, okay, for promotion, then over a 2 or 3 years they might get an income, right? For that they are uh, making expenses now at the present situation. Now coming to debt, they have 30 crore debt and they have 16,000 reserves. So it is a debt-free company. And this all ROC or ROEs are in minus. They are not making a profit present situation. When I see graph, I told you it went up and now it is down here. When we see pros and pros, it is a debt-free company. Reduced debt is a good quarter. Funds here. Come here. These are the similar companies, internet-based companies. When you see here profits and losses, it is every year the sales has been increasing. Good. Yeah, we can see a good increase in sales, and there we can see the expenses also. Than income, every time the expense is more. Okay, that's why the problem is with this company. Their expenses is more. Why? Because of they are going promotions and they are spending at the moment. Okay, in future, if the number of users increases, definitely it will increase, right? Over a period, definitely in future, the number of people will be increasing daily, so that they can generate more revenues. When they stop that expenses part for ads, then the company will generate a good revenue for sure. That's what I'm predicting. If they stop their expenses for ads or any offers a little bit. And company balance sheet, the assets we can see here, it is increasing rapidly every year. It is increasing rapidly. That is a very good sign. Cash flow and ratios, ROC is in minus at the present situation. Coming to shareholding pattern, promoters having 0%. Why? Because the two founders they did not invested anything. Just they created this app. That's it. So you can see promoters here 0%. Here the investors are foreign investors, local investors. Coming to the public, in the public, these all companies are there. Here 83% is there. Initially, when I see this, I thought all the local retailers are there in this public. So it is very dangerous company, I thought at that stage. After going through here, we can see all InfoEdge, Uber, all these big companies we have here. So there is no big issues in this company at the present situation. They are having full funds, no debt, but main thing is the loss making company. If they stop the expenses for a while, definitely they will get good income for sure. It is a future based company. You want to look for a future, not the present valuations. Okay, that's about the company. And when we see the recently what the experts are saying here, recently Macquarie told that they gave underperform rating here. You can look here. Look here. Yeah, Macquarie, however, initiated its coverage on the stock with an underperform rating of target 55 rupees. Okay, less than that what we have in the price in CMP now. It gave an underperform rating, that is a minus for the company. Immediately on the next day, HSBC gave a buy call on the stock with giving a target price of 85 rupees per share. Okay, we have a different minds in the different brokerages, because we have a risk also. For example, we think that it might perform well in the future after 10 years. Some other company might come and join in this business, right? Not in this company. So in this the same pattern business, like Reliance might come for a food delivery, new food delivery app, then it will be very competitive for this business. Then this business might get margins lesser at the moment. That is the biggest risk we have in this company. But over a period, when we look at the business, it is very good business. We can generate a good amount from that, and we don't predict anything in the future. That's what we are predicting at the present moment. From my side, what I'm thinking is that it is somewhat not much riskier, not much. We can't predict the company at the present, but we can keep a small amount in the company. We are investing very small amount in that, so that if it goes well, we can generate a rapid growth from in this stock. Or else, if it went low, it don't go fully. We don't lost the whole amount for sure. I think so. We don't get good income as well. That's it. So we have a multiple view on this company. If you are already invested, if you have invested a huge amount, it is somewhat risky, I would say. Please lower your investment in this company. Okay. Thank you watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can update daily updates. Daily evening, I will post you a video in the YouTube, and we have a Telegram channel as well. In that, we will be giving an updates daily, which is the best stocks to buy or news updates. Everything will be updated in the Telegram. Please join in the Telegram and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.